headed to our Rainforest tour. I am very excited. We are trailing the Paradise Tours van here, and we are gonna get it going starting at 7:30 a.m. But yes, we want to beat all of the traffic, so this is gonna be perfect. I am ready for this experience. I don't know if I'm gonna be super good with the height, but hey, I'm doing it because today is my birthday. We are almost at the Rainforest tour, so I am excited. Today is my 30th birthday, so hey, we about to do what it do. Road, like everything look like it's moving in, and look how tight these roads are. Oh my gosh, almost time. Look at this. We are getting closer and closer. Oh wow. Entering the rainforest. This is so beautiful on the Rainforest tour, and we made the pit stop at the waterfall. Video and pictures just do not do it justice.
Not all of it.
Perfect rainforest experience. It is starting to rain. Yes, right at the waterfall. I think we're about to get ready and get back started, but this has been nothing short of beautiful, fun hiking. First time hiking, period. They allowed us to use our phones, so I am very, very happy. It's my 30th birthday, and hey, I'm getting my life. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Question, are you guys gonna stay here? Because if you want to stay here, you can. The way to get out of here is super easy. Basically, all you have to do is once you go out, You turn left at when you get to the main road where we turn. You go left and you keep going straight. Eventually, again, if you're relaxed, okay. You guys have it.
Literally just relaxing on a rock in the rainforest.